Morning guys, September 16th, 2024. I gotta go to one of the daycares. They close, after 5 or so, and I usually go over there when they're closed if there's an issue. They got a problem with one of the dishwashers. When they run a dishwasher, it's kind of leaking underneath the dishwasher or coming from the drain. I guess the drain man went over there and snaked the drain. He says it's not that, but it could be. I'm going to see if I can take the front of the dishwasher off and see if I can find out what's leaking. It's like a commercial dishwasher. So it's got like a drain, like a 2-inch drain that comes up from the floor. And it's leaking down below onto the shelving. And they were doing a lot of painting over there, so I really couldn't do nothing until they were on there with the painters, and they called and said the guys had done, so. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. This is a drain coming up, 2-inch, and this is probably dumping in the drain. I think it might be overflowing the drain or something. I gotta take this cover off. It might just need a new dishwasher, I'm not sure. Hopefully, we'll find out what the deal is. I can take this apart and run it and see where it's leaking from, right? Maybe. Can't be that easy, can it? Wow. What the hell's the drain on this fucker? Holy shit, man. I'm gonna be 10 feet over. That's on that corner. There goes our plastic. I'm not sure what the hell's leaking. I'm gonna have to run it and see. Yeah, it's under there somehow. 10 feet is basically looks like that copper pipe might be leaking or something. I'm not sure. Unless these clamps are loose. Unless that trap, I don't know, shit's a little bit loose, but the clamps are a little loose. Yeah, a little loosey-goosey there, Mama. Oh yeah, fucking clamps are loose. That'll do it. Hopefully, that's the problem. I'm gonna have to run it and see. We'll run it and see if we can find out what's leaking. Yeah, she's flipping loose as a goose, Mama. He's loose as a goose. Oh. dump a load in there and see if we can see if it leaks, where it's leaking from. That's where the rag is, right there. So, wow, she's all flipping loosey-goosey. Can't have it loosey-goosey like that. Wow, what the flip, guy? Yeah. Supposedly this has all been snaked, so I don't know. Let's try it and dump it. Obviously, this towel is here for a reason. It's probably leaking right out of this, I'm thinking. But we won't be able to tell until it dumps. It could be that plastic pipe, or it might be way up top there. Looks like it might be coming from way up top there. It looks a little wet up there. It's going up hot, so when this thing dumps, it should come out. She's a Laker. I don't know, don't look like it's going to be easy to get apart, I'll tell you. Seems I'm right under the trap there, I swear. Flipping thing's leaking. When that dumps, it should get warm. You should be able to see it. Yeah, it's dripping from up top there. I could see it. See it? Dripping from up top where the water's feeding in. See it? It's dripping from up top there. I can see it dripping down. Yeah, dripping. Yeah. Oh, this feed has to be shut off here, and we're gonna have to pull the dishwasher out and find out why it's dripping. Yeah, I can see it dripping there. All right. I'll have to, I can see it dripping up top there, so we're gonna shut it off. Definitely dripping from up top and then down. Let's see if I get this thing out of here. I don't see anything leaking underneath here. Let's take a look. She's coming out. This door is a heavy duty door. Pull this. Fogging up my glasses here. What is this shit? Rat trap. See them, that red and that blue that goes in that drain? Whatever this, they're just stuck in here. I think that's the problem. Them blue lines are gonna get connected to there somehow. Oh, it's definitely leaking from that 2-inch plastic, see it? That 2-inch plastic is leaking. Oh, I gotta fucking change that. That's gonna be a bitch to get that out of there. It's gonna go in here like that. Yeah, I'm not sure where it's coming from. We're gonna find out right now. Whoa. What the fuck? Look at that. Look at this. Out the vacuum breaker. Oh, that's loose. Wow, she broke right off. Wow, look at that. Look at that. I might have something for that in the truck. This ferrule on that. Can you see? Yeah, there's a piece that was stuck in there. I got it out. I got this piece in there, this new piece with the ferrule. This new piece, see? See it? See if that works. Alright, but the vacuum breaker seemed like it was leaking too, but let's see. Now that's in. This vacuum breaker seemed to be squirting out too, but it's a special. I don't want to play around too much with this fucker. She's leaking right out the vacuum breaker. No, she's leaking out the vacuum breaker. Get that thing the fuck out of there or something. It's a couple of 1/2-inch bolts and I'd be able to get that thing out of there, I think. This vacuum breaker's leaking right here. I don't really want to play around with it. You can put a whole new fucking unit in here. Let me call this guy. Alright guys, so this vacuum breaker's leaking. I was able to fix that leak. I put some temporary patches on this. I told him he just should get another dishwasher. I mean, it's one thing after another.